is the best person to have as a trustee of a land trust?
I use my entity, but I'm going to tell you in California, the rule is that individual has to be a trustee, but I don't care who wrote that rule and who's going to stop me from having my entity be the trustee. I use entities, and I don't care what state you're in. And worst case, somebody says you can't do that, and now your entity has to appoint another human as a trustee. But when I use my entity, ABC LLC, then nobody knows who actually the trustee is. But then when I sign stuff, then I have to sign as manager of that LLC. But that's not really a matter of public record. I like using my entity because that keeps an individual off public record. Even though a trustee has no liability, I don't want to put somebody's name on public record that has to do with my house because I just don't know what's going to happen. Or if I put my own entity on there as trustee, at least I'm dealing with me, and me. So I like other people out of my business, and that's the whole point of it. Plus, I'm pretty easy to find when I need me to sign something.